I wanted to show you what the real crypto traders do. They don't look at the charts every single day from their computers. No, guys, the reality is different. They travel, they have some fun, okay? And they have a good Android phone that helps them to open TradingView, open Binance, Bybit, BTCC apps, where they can place trades. And they just discovered the world. That's the life of a crypto trader. Whether you are successful or not, it doesn't really matter, right? Because crypto trading is on the whole next level. You don't care about making a couple of $1,000s or euros per month. You're caring about Lambos, you're caring about expensive dinners, about Dubai. No, guys, this is all joke. It doesn't really matter. The reality is that you trade from anywhere. You open TradingView chart, and if the sun makes you feel better, then you trade better, okay? So go to sunny places, not necessarily Dubai. Go to Europe, go to Greece, go to Italy, go to Spain, and trade from there. That's what I do. Whether I'm successful or not, you will see in my next videos. You will see whether I'm sitting in a Wizz Air or Ryanair flight, or I'm sitting in the Etihad, or what's the name of the expensive airline? Yeah, Emirates. I've never been in that one, but maybe potentially after longing Bitcoin at the all-time high. All right, now let's jump into the charts. Enough of these jokes. What I want to do right now is actually to go through every single cycle indicator and to understand what that indicator shows and what we can expect from Bitcoin and Ethereum after smashing these all-time highs. Before talking about indicators, I want to show you that the buy and sell signals nailed it perfectly. Now, if you bought using the buy signals and if you sold on the sell signals, you made really huge profit on most of the coins. Now, we are currently looking at the Bitcoin chart, but if you want to see even bigger gains, you can actually go to coins like Solana or Ethereum. They jumped in value the most from the highly liquid coins. And as you can see, every single buy signal and every single sell signal made profit. Now, if you want to apply those signals to your chart, all you have to do, you have to go to strategymaster.io and subscribe for the free newsletter. Take a look at the latest articles where I actually apply cycle indicators and I can predict what is going to happen with the Bitcoin price, whether it's a good moment to buy or to sell. Now, coming back to the TradingView chart, we want to see multiple indicators on the chart. At the bottom, we can see the 3-day cycle. Now, the 3-day cycle actually shows the development of the financial asset on midterm. So basically, it shows where the financial asset is going to move within the next few weeks. And we can see that we were in an uptrend for the last few weeks, and exactly the same thing happened in the price. And basically, you can apply on any asset here. You are going up. Let me now disable the buy and sell signals, because they are not necessary right now. So the 3-day cycles nailed this top perfectly. And now it's printing 92 here at the right corner. You can see 92. Now it means that we are soon going to reverse and we are going to have some sort of the retracement, which is also very likely, basically looking at how the price was rising up. Now, it means that we should not be opening new long position, taking a look at this cycle. Now, we have to change this 3-day cycle to a daily cycle to see what we can expect from the next few days. And here, the situation is slightly different. If we apply it on Solana, we can see that, hey, we reset it right here, and we're still going up. So we still have 1 or 2 or even maybe 3-4 days left. So this week is definitely going to be bullish. So if you want to open positions, new long positions, now you have to look at the charts that are 2-hour and 4-hour and open at the bottom of the respective charts. So Solana could still be a good buy, okay? Now I want to go to the 4-hour chart to see where are we on the 4-hourly. And on the 4-hourly, we are currently kind of going nowhere. We went up here, we went a bit down, we reversed, and now again, it's kind of, we are consolidating. So we want to be buying here. We don't want to be buying somewhere in the middle. You see, if you bought here or here, you made good profit. Okay, you don't even have to think. So you always buy the cycle lows. Now, changing it from 4-hour to even 2-hour to see like a short-term movements, we can say, hey, Solana will very soon within the next few hours will be a good buy. And we can expect a push to the upside. Now, the 2-hour chart basically makes bottoms every couple of hours, I would say once per day. And here, and here, and here, you see how many bottoms and how many actually perfect open opportunities, entry opportunities, it showed on the chart. Many of them. And the next one will be somewhere here. So most probably tonight Solana will bring another low on the 2-hour chart. And we will be able to long this coin to go a little bit up. However,
Very important. Once we are reaching the top, you have to sell your coins. So now if I go and I change this chart to weekly, which basically shows the trend for the upcoming weeks, we can see that Solana is just starting its run. So Solana is the coin that you want to trade. Solana is the coin that you actually want to own. Because look, this is where we are just making a bottom. So this is where we actually making a bottom. And this, if this is a bottom, just imagine what will be the top. Well, the top will be higher over the $200 area for sure. So that's how you analyze the coins, because we are going from cycle bottom to the cycle top. When we are cycle top, we're looking for shorts. We're not looking for longs. But when we are cycle bottom, like we were previously in April, all this time we were in the cycle bottom, well, then it's fine to look for longs. And even if, let's say, you bought somewhere here and it went, oh, that's a wrong one. If you bought somewhere here and you went down by 12%, don't sweat that much, because the weekly trend here is at the bottom. So it's going to turn bullish soon. And yet it did turn. So it made another low, it turned bullish, and then we resumed to the upside. And that's how basically you invest in trade cryptocurrencies. Again, if you want access to all these cycle indicators, you simply go to strategymaster.io, or you click the link in the description down below. I do my trades on various exchanges, but for the biggest deposit bonus, look at the BTCC exchange with the link in the description down below.